verb ing, ing. So, continuous itu kalau kalian mau identify, pasti ada verb ing-nya. Oke, after to be. Harus ada to be, verb ing. That's continuous. Perbedaannya, Miss, look at the to be-nya. Oke, present continuous, to be-nya am is are. Past continuous, was were. Oke, that's the difference. Kalau untuk future continuous, dia will be. Oke, will be studying. Present continuous, when we use that, let me ask. Putri Aditya, when we use present continuous, kapan nih kita pakai present continuous? So let me ask you, what are you doing, Putri? What are you doing now? Just give me the answer. What are you doing now? For example, I am reading a novel, or I am talking to you. So what are you doing? Do you have an idea? Claudia, how about you? What are you doing now? Are you sleeping?
No, Miss.
Okay, so what are you doing? Misalnya ngapain nih? Saya sedang apa? Kalau Miss tanya, what are you doing? Apa yang sedang kamu lakukan? So what are you doing now? Anyone can give me the response. Alvina, what are you doing now?
Studying English.
Okay, I am studying English. So, the use of present continuous is talking about things that are happening now. Things that are happening now. Kegiatan atau sesuatu yang terjadi sekarang. Okay? Yang sedang terjadi sekarang. I am talking to you. I am teaching now. You are studying now. Okay? You can use the adverb time ya now, bisa pakai now, bisa right now, atau bisa juga at the moment, at the moment. Jadi itu menanyakan kegiatan yang sedang kamu lakukan sekarang. So what are you doing now? I am listening to you, Miss. Okay. Yeah, that's the examples of present continuous, kegiatan yang kamu lakukan sekarang. Okay, any questions?
Clear enough.
Okay, so that's positive sentence. Okay, itu kalimat positifnya. Now I want to ask for the negative sentence. Maggot, make negative sentence using present continuous.
It's not raining outside.
Okay, this one ya. It's raining outside. For negative, you just put not. Hanya tambahin not ya for negative. It's not raining outside. Atau I'm not drinking coffee now. So for the negative, you just need to put not. You don't need to change the others. Nggak perlu diganti yang lainnya, hanya tambahin aja not-nya. And then for interrogative, question. Samsiatul, do you want to try? Make questions or interrogative sentence using present continuous.
Apa ya, Miss?
From this example, dari kalimat ini aja bisa. You may change to the interrogative or questions.
I have no idea, Miss.
Okay, so when you are being asked by using the questions or interrogative, kalau pakai interrogative ya, pertanyaan yes no questions, interrogative itu ada dua. Kalimat tanya itu ada dua. It can be yes no questions atau WH questions. But my questions is yes no questions ya, karena kita hanya just talking about this sentence, okay? Jadi kalau untuk pertanyaan, tuker aja nih. Apa to be-nya ini go to the front, okay?
Are you drinking coffee now?
Iya. Are you drinking coffee now? Kan di sini misalnya I am drinking coffee now atau you are drinking coffee now. You are. But for the questions atau pertanyaan itu, to be-nya itu go to the front, pindah ke depan karena jawabannya pasti yes no questions, okay? Are you drinking coffee now? Atau is it raining? Kan itu dari positifnya it is raining. For the
Rio.
questions, pindah, okay? Is it raining outside? Okay. Some Seattle? Did you got it?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Please change my sentence to be questions, okay? Rita is, okay? Rita is studying English now. Rita is studying English now. Change to be interrogative. Coba diubah.
Rita
Is studying English now. Coba ganti, ubah menjadi kalimat interrogative atau question. Yes, no question.
Rita pakainya itu berarti is ya Bu? Is she kan?
Yes, is atau Rita atau nama orang ya, she, he, it gitu. Kayak Gusti, Rizky, that's the name of person, okay? It's the singular person, so using she or he. So,
She, gimana ya?
to be-nya, do you know the to be? M is R.
She is,
Mhm.
she is. Tadi Rita apa ya Bu?
Studying
She is studying
English
now.
now. That's positive sentence. Itu kalimat positif ya. She is. Kalau kalimat pertanyaan yang misalnya itu interrogative, itunya is-nya pindah ke depan ya. Is she jadinya. Oke? Okay? Samsiatu.
Berarti
Ya.
is she
Studying
English gitu Bu.
now.
Gitu.
Oke. Ya.
Oh iya.
So, for it can be conclude, okay, bisa di-conclude, disimpulkan from the positive, negative, interrogative. You don't need to change anything, okay? Verbnya itu tidak berubah. Hanya kalau di negatif kalian tambahin not, kalau di question atau interrogatifnya itu dia pindah ke depan to be-nya, okay? Is it clear? Rizky Azizil? Ada pertanyaan? No? So let me ask. Dea Adi. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Dea. Is it clear enough for you?
Insyaallah.
So, I want to ask you one question. How about the verb for the positive, negative, interrogative? Verbnya tetap verb ing atau we change to the other verb? Dea?
Gimana Miss tadi? Suaranya putus-putus.
Sorry?
Gimana tadi? Suara Missnya putus-putus.
For the verb, okay, untuk kata kerjanya, in the positive sentence, interrogative sentence, negative sentence, the verb still using verb ing or not?
Positive sentence.
Sorry? Rido Bahar. Rido
Yes, Miss.
Bahar. Okay.
Yes, Miss.
Untuk kalimat positif, negatif, interrogative, do we usually use verb in or not?
Yes.
Okay, so we don't need to change anything for the verb.
Uh,
Jadi nggak usah diubah ya kalau positif terus ke negatif,
Nggak,
ing-nya
Miss.
tetap ya. Oke. So still verb ing. Samsiatu, Ordea. So I am drinking coffee now. I'm not drinking coffee now. Are you drinking coffee now? Jadi verb ing-nya tetap ya, nggak berubah. Oke. So go on to the past continuous. Past continuous ini still talking about verb ing. Kegiatan kapan nih sini kita gunakan? Kegiatan yang kamu sedang lakukan pada saat lampau. Okay. So this is only a review because we have learned last semester, but I'm not pretty sure whether you still remember or not about this one. Jadi past continuous ini kita gunakan pada kegiatan yang sedang berlangsung. Kalau tadi sedang berlangsung sekarang, present continuous. Kalau past continuous sedang berlangsung pada saat lampau. Oke? Misalnya nih, I was reading a novel when you called me last night. Nah, ini ada bentuk waktunya ya. Last night. Sudah terjadi. Jadi aku sedang membaca novel saat kamu nelpon aku semalam. Itu have already done, okay? Sudah terjadi. It's completed actions. But yeah, they have doing two things, okay? Used to say that somebody was in the middle of doing something in the past. Jadi pada saat masa lampau itu ada seseorang yang melakukan sesuatu dan kamu juga sedang melakukan sesuatu. For example, the other example, while I was walking home, I met Dave. Oke, pada saat dia sedang berjalan pulang ke rumah, dia ketemu Dave. Oke. Untuk negatif, interrogative itu sama, tidak ada yang berubah ya. Verb ing-nya. Untuk negatif you just put not. Untuk interrogatifnya go to the front, to be-nya pindah ke depan, oke? To be-nya yang mana nih? Kalau present continuous itu am is are, kalau past continuous itu was were. Oke? Is it clear? Okay, the last one. If you have no questions, I'll continue to the last tenses, okay? Yes?
Miss, can you give me an example if I use were?
Okay. Were ini, what to be do you usually use for were? Kalau was itu apa? She, he, it, and I. Okay? She, he, it, and I. And then kalau were itu they, we, you. Jadi tinggal ganti aja. They were reading a novel when you called me last night. So it depends on the subject, Fajar. Jadi lihat subjeknya, okay? They, we, you using were, was itu I, she, it. Sebenarnya I itu bisa pakai were, tapi itu di tipe kalimat lain, pengandaiannya. If I were you, jika aku menjadi kamu, okay? Conditional sentence. But ini kita membahas bukan conditional sentence, talking about past continuous, okay? So if you find in the song, English song, ada di lagu-lagu bahasa Inggris, if I were you, okay, itu ada pakai were. So don't confuse about that one, okay, don't be confused, karena memang ada tipe kalimat lain, okay, that's conditional sentence. Untuk past continuous, still, was itu I, she, it, were, they, you, okay.
Okay, Miss, thank you.
All right. Now, present perfect. Remember this one. Kalau tadi continuous kita gunakan verb ing, okay. And now, for perfect, okay, kalimat yang ada kata perfectnya ini, tenses yang perfect, dia always use verb 3, okay. Bentuk ketiga, kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Kayak go and gone, okay, gone-nya. Atau do, did, done, verb 3, okay. Talking about perfect, you use verb 3. Kalau tadi continuous verb in perfect verb 3. Okay? So how do we usually use perfect, Miss? Kapan kita pakai present perfect? It's the same with simple past. Okay? Hampir sama dengan simple past ini. Yang ini. Simple past dengan present perfect. Mereka menjelaskan kegiatan yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau. However, the differences, okay, perbedaannya hanya di time, okay, bentuk waktunya. Kalau simple past itu jelas ada bentuk waktunya. Apa Miss contohnya? Ada kata last, okay, last night, last day, last meeting, last September, atau ago, 2 days ago, 2 months ago, okay. Yesterday, itu simple past, ada bentuk waktunya. Kalau di perfect, you don't need to use the time. It's not important, okay? Untuk waktunya, the exact time is not important. For example, in bahasa ya, kalau Miss buat kalimatnya, di bahasa Indonesia misalnya, saya sudah nonton film itu kemarin. Kalau di perfect, saya sudah nonton film itu. Cuma bilang sudah menonton itu, tetapi tidak menjelaskan kapan dia sudah nonton itu. Itulah perbedaannya, oke? Simple past ada bentuk waktunya, adverb time, perfect no, oke? Atau misalnya have you watched the movie? Sudah belum kamu nonton movie itu? Yes, I have, oke? Itu sudah, but you don't need to mention the time. Nggak perlu jelaskan kapan kamu nonton itu. Oke, then? Is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. And then for the negative interrogative, tetap gunakan verb 3, okay? Have, has, verb 3. Negatifnya tinggal tambah not. Kalau untuk interrogatifnya, go to the front, has sama have-nya, okay? Has itu untuk she, he, it. Have itu Dewi, Ayu, okay? I have. Kalau has, she has, he has, okay? Untuk adverbs-nya biasanya dia pakai ever, never, already, yet, okay, still, itu yang biasanya digunakan di perfect. Is there any questions? If not, I will give you the questions. Only 2 questions, yeah, for present continuous. Anyone want to try? Number 5. Number 5. Anyone? Ada yang mau mencoba? Nomor 5. Present continuous. Oke, itu udah ada clue-nya ya. Present continuous tadi pakai apa? To be, verb in. To be-nya apa? Is, am, are. Okay.
Ya, Miss. Coba, Miss.
What's your name?
Regan, Miss.
Okay, Regan. Your student number, Regan?
20, 12, 16, 30.
16 plus 3. Okay.
5. Are you ready, Anne? Yes, I starting.
Are you ready,
Starting.
Anne? Okay.
Yes.
Wait a
I
moment.
starting.
I starting. No? Yes,
Ya,
good.
Miss. Lupa, Miss.
I'm coming. Don't forget to put the to be, okay? To be-nya. Bukan I starting, ada to be-nya, jangan lupa, okay? Yes, I'm coming, okay? I am coming. Verb in. Okay, then? Tadi siapa yang jawab? Yang the correct one? Hashim. Yes, sudah nama Hashim. 32. Oh, we still have 10 minutes. You're welcome. Next number. Oh, you may choose. Oke, boleh pilih. Ada yang mau mencoba? You may choose the number.
Hi,
Number
Miss.
2. I'm trying number 2.
Okay, Fajar, number 2.
I'm looking for Christine. Do you know where she is?
Okay, I'm looking for Christine. Do you know where she is? Okay, next.
I, Miss. Nomor
Okay,
8 ya, Miss.
8. Okay, Samsia to your student number.
1665.
Okay.
Why are all these people here? What's happening?
Okay, what's happening? What's-nya itu apa? What's ada S-nya ya. Jadi what apa
Iya,
kalau kita stand for apa? Panjangan dari apa what's-nya? What is?
what's happening?
Oh,
What's
what is happening? What's
happening?
happening? Okay, good. Next, past
Miss?
continuous. Hmm?
Never mind.
Okay, we still have 8 minutes to go to talk about past continuous. Only 2 questions, 2 soal saja. Who wanna try? This is the verb in the brackets, ada di dalam kurung ini ya. So you just need to change. Ini perbedaannya nih. Put the verbs into the correct form. Past continuous atau past simple. Nah, kalau tadi past continuous ya ada 2 kalimat ya kalau past continuous. Misalnya, when I called you, I was reading a novel. Ada 2 kalimat ya. Simple past, past continuous. Tugas kalian, kapan kalian pakai past continuous, kapan past simple-nya. Kayak gini nih, Jane was waiting for me when I arrived. Di sini dia past continuous, yang ini simple past. Oke, I give you a clue, oke? Kalau dia ada when, itu pasti past simple, oke? Simple past. Tapi kalau ada kata while, itu dia setelah kata while itu past continuous, ada ini. Oke, anyone wants to try?
Miss, I want to try number
Yes.
5.
Okay, my God.
How fast were you driving when the accident happened?
How fast? Repeat
How
again.
fast were you driving when the accident happened?
Okay, when the accident happened using ed verb to. How fast-nya itu using past continuous ya, to be verb in. How fast were you driving? Okay, good. Next. One more.
Angel, Miss, nomor
Angela.
nomor 2.
Angela, your
Nomor
student number?
1621, Miss.
Okay.
What were you going this time yesterday? I was asleep.
Okay. What? Nah, ini ada yesterday-nya ya. What did you do? Oke, di sini dia ke simple past. Oke.
Pas.
What did you do? What did you do this time yesterday? I'm sorry. Ada this time-nya ya. Benar itu. What were you doing this time? Kamu kemarin sedang ngapain? Oke, di jam yang sama ini, oke? What were you doing this time yesterday? Good. Angela. Next. 5. Simple past or simple present perfect. Nah, kalau yang Miss jelaskan tadi yang ada bentuk waktunya simple past, yang tidak ada bentuk waktunya present perfect. Oke? Okay? You may choose only 2 numbers. Simple past using verb 2, present perfect using verb 3. Okay? Number 3.
Saya, Miss.
Number 3. Okay, what's your name?
Mayada Ajijah.
Okay, Mayada, your student number.
1662.
Okay. Bill?
Bill arrived here 3 days ago.
Okay, Bill arrived here 3 days ago. Okay, Bill arrived here 3 days ago. Good, karena ada ago-nya itu simple past. Okay. Number 4, who wanna try? Number 4. Ada yang mau mencoba number 4? Ada nggak bentuk waktunya? Kalau nggak ada bentuk waktu, you just use present perfect.
Saya, Miss.
Okay, what's your name?
Muhammad Faiz Raihan.
Faiz, okay, yes, number.
1649.
Okay.
Bill have been here since the 22nd.
Okay. Bill, repeat again. Bill.
Bill has been here since the 22nd.
Okay, very good. So Bill itu dia has ya. Be ini bentuk tiga dari be itu been, be, and was were, okay, and then been. Okay. So Bill has been here since the 22nd. Good. That's all. We still have 3 minutes. What you need to do is your assignment. Okay, I will give you 7 number. Okay, 7 soal. As you can see here, exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, what you need to do, you just not only to choose which one is the correct. Okay, bukan hanya sekedar pilih salah satu yang benar, but you need to give me the reason. Kasih Miss alasan. Kalian tinggal tulis jawaban aja dan alasan. Oke, misal ini nomor 1 Miss kasih jawabannya ya. She always to wish her boss a happy birthday. I choose forget. Jawabannya B. Why? Miss, kenapa B? This is simple present. Kenapa simple present, Miss? Ciri-cirinya apa? Nah, di situ nanti Miss jelaskan. Kalian jelaskan ya, simple present. Because apa? Ada kata always di sini, oke? Okay? Always ini menjelaskan simple present, repeated action, oke? Okay? Kegiatan sehari-hari. Ini tenses yang Miss kasih di soal-soal ini itu adalah tenses yang sudah kita pelajari di 2 meeting, oke? Okay? Di 2 meeting ini, meeting sebelumnya dan meeting hari ini, oke? Okay? So just find the answer. After that, the reason. Nggak usah tulis soalnya lagi. Oke, then, is it clear?
Yes, Miss.
Oke, so soalnya berarti 6 questions, oke? 6 soal. I will give you an hour, 1 jam, Miss kasih waktu ya. Nanti kumpulkan di WAS kita, oke? Di bagian assignment-nya. Just give me the reasons. Cari ciri-cirinya ya. Kayak tadi nih, simple past ada kata go-nya. Kalau tadi di present perfect-nya itu ada kata tidak ada kata bentuk waktu, terus juga tidak ada apa namanya, terus ada kata already, misalnya ada never, atau yang ini continuous, ada verb in dengan ini, to be-nya, kayak gitu ya. So just give me the simple reason, kasih alasan yang sederhana saja. Oke, biasanya jawabannya itu ciri-cirinya itu ada di kalimat soalnya ini ya. Oke. So for the PowerPoint-nya kalian bisa download in WAS kita. Oke, then I'll give you 1 hour to do that. 9.26 berarti ngumpulnya 10.26 nanti ya, paling telat itu di WAS kita. So the last one, ini Miss lihat ada 50 siswa baru join nih. Padahal Miss di sini catatannya nambah cuman 40 siswa, 41. Ada yang belum presensi berarti ada yang baru join. Is that right? Ini waktunya udah nggak cukup lagi kalau untuk presensi. So please be on time, oke? Okay? Jadi yang belum presensi itu besok-besok 10-20 menit masih Miss terima. Tapi kalau sudah 40 menitan ini, I will not record your name, oke? Okay? Thank you. That's all and see you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
you, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
You, Miss.
See you. Have a nice